This message is for all of the people who follow us at Claro Pool. My name is Stephen Little. I serve as the company's CEO. I am also the founder. I founded Claro Pool many years ago. So let's jump right to the meat on the bone today of why we're here. May is National Water Safety Month. This is a month when pool professionals gather together and pile up their resources and talk about water safety and creating swimmers and how to make pools safer. But in contrast to that business model, I'm talking about it every stinking day. I'm never going to stop. As long as I can draw air into my lungs, I'm going to talk about pool safety. Pools are meant to be the incubator of everything great, folks. Pools are meant to be the incubator of everything great. I can't say it enough. And we're losing hundreds, if not thousands of children to swimming pool drownings, both fatal and non-fatal, every single year. And people are not willing to stand up and say, I've got the brass, I've got the desire, I've got the resources, and we're going to do something about it. And that ends with me. I will be the consummate pool professional who says enough is enough. We know the solution. We know the cure. We need to teach our kids to swim. And as serious as this topic is, it's about the democratization of pool safety. I'm going to take it from the people who've held it for so many years and want to sell it. I'm going to find a way to get it to you and your family. We're going to make pools safer. No matter what, we're going to make pools safer.